Hello, my name is Sharif. I'm a postdoctoral fellow at the National Institutes of Health. Despite major discoveries made about the brain, it is still a profoundly mysterious organ. Perhaps most mysterious of all is how the brain produces consciousness. We all have conscious experiences while we are awake and even during sleep in the form of dreams. But how brain activity gives rise to this key part of everyday life remains unknown. To help answer this question, my research at NIH explores the brain networks related to conscious experiences that come from the world, like seeing a tree in your yard, and conscious experiences that the brain generates entirely by itself, like optical illusions and hallucinations. In my lab, we specifically take advantage of something called an afterimage, which is an image that you can still see even after the original goes away. For example, if you look at a bright light and then close your eyes, you can still see a spot for a few seconds. You can try this yourself by staring at this image for a few seconds now. When we replace it with a blank gray screen, you might notice a bright imprint. That's the afterimage. Your brain is causing you to see something that isn't really there. In our experiments, my colleagues and I track how brain activity changes when people see an image on a computer screen compared to when they see an afterimage. Using this approach, we are revealing that both kinds of conscious perception involve overlapping and broad brain regions, both near the brain surface and deep within it. One day, we hope our discoveries about consciousness will help to lead to new ways to diagnose and treat the millions of people worldwide who suffer from conditions that affect consciousness. For example, comas and certain kinds of neurologic and psychiatric disorders that can cause hallucinations. On top of these exciting clinical applications, my research may help solve a profound natural mystery that scientists and philosophers have debated for thousands of years.